Hey everybody, we're going to try this again. We're going to do a little show and tell on this 400 kilowatt Cummins diesel generator. Let's take a look. This unit is fully enclosed. It's sitting on a 950 gallon base fuel tank. Extremely clean inside and out. Let's open up some doors and see what we got inside. Very clean 400 kilowatt Cummins generator. We recently load banked and serviced this unit. Apologize for that. Here's our digital control panel. Generator data tag. Genius battery charger. Let's walk around the other side. Here's your main breaker. Apologize, but I have the wind out here. There you have it. Apologize for that again. Like I said, this has recently been load banked and serviced. This generator is ready to work. Let's take one more look. Alright guys, there it is, 400 kilowatt Cummins. Sorry about the shaky video. We'll do a little better next time. We'll do some more show and tell next week. You guys have a great weekend. Everybody be safe, and we'll see you again.